So the last stock that we're breaking down for this morning is GameStop, or ticker symbol GME. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from the daily interval, and this allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. But let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So we're down nearly 3% for the morning. We look at our volume, we're at 526,000, so we're definitely above the 150,000 threshold that we like to see. Let's go over our support and resistance lines really quickly, and then we'll get into more on where we're at. So up here at the the 285 area is our highest level of resistance tested, you guys, and you can see back here we came up in this area multiple times and got rejected. We tested this area once, got rejected, and then a third time, which pushed us all the way down to underneath our minor resistance over here. So down here is our lowest level of support tested. You can look left, you can see underneath it was working as resistance. You can see that once we broke above that, we used it as a support level, and you can see we bounced from this area, bounced from this area. So it is ultimately tested 3 times, and you want to test these areas at least 3 times, you guys. All right, so let's go back to where we're at currently. So you can see that we broke back underneath our minor resistance. You can see back here this area was tested once and twice, and then the third time right here. Well, actually 4 times, because we did, let me zoom in a little bit more closer. You can see that we did come back underneath. We tried to create a breakout right here. It ultimately failed. You can see it came back up in this area again. So we have a double retest and failure. So you can see that we came back over this area and it's starting to pull back again. So we are still above the trend line. However, you guys, you have to keep in mind on where we're at, okay? So we have about maybe like a $5 difference from hitting this resistance area. If we want to get the best entry, we want to wait for us to at least break above the 197 area. If we can break above that to come up and come back down and retest it as a support level, this could be a great buying opportunity or the best entry for you. Getting in right now would be not the smartest decision, since we just had a double retest and failure, and we are starting to pull back slightly. So I'm not saying that we are going to return back down to our low level of support at the 120 area, but we have to be precautious and always keep in mind on what we're looking at, okay? So as of right now, you guys, like I said, we want to wait until we can at least break above the 198 or the 197 area to come up and come back down and retest this as a support level. And if we do that and we get an entry, then we want to have our stop loss maybe underneath all these candlesticks that we have here previously, and that's going to be at the 154 area. You don't have to have it there. Anything below the support line at the 196 or the 198 area would be fine. So that way, if we do break back below that area, we'll be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry. If you don't use stop losses, that's fine. That means just you're a different type of trader. These are for my day traders and my swing traders. A lot of you guys for GameStop and AMC are core traders or diamond hand holders. But other than that, you guys, like I said, let's be patient and wait for the best opportunity. We want to see that buyers are stepping up for us to create that higher low and for us to retest this support level before we get in as of right now. Okay, so if this helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently, and if I did that, it would mean a lot. So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.